All right, guys. Today is most likely the day that I'm gonna get this thing going. Just got my part. Just picked her up. Go back on here. I'm just gonna reuse that one. But yeah. So basically, all I gotta do now. I don't have my boost piping, but I mean that doesn't stop me from starting it up. So basically, I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna drain the oil out of her. Put some new oil in, and then do the coolant and all that, and then start her up. Pretty scared, to be honest. Like, it's my first time, really rebuilding an engine by myself. Basically no help. But yeah, let's hope it goes good. So I'm gonna get that all buttoned up, get the dipstick in there and everything, and then do a quick oil change, and then we'll put some coolant in there, and then start her up. Wish me luck, because I'm actually really scared right now. All right, guys, so got the PCV housing in, all the hoses and lines connected, dipsticks in, new O-ring for the dipsticks in. Thought I had a socket for that, 36 mil. Can't find it anywhere, so it looks like I'm going to the store. Go pick that up, and then we'll change the filter, drain the oil, and then top up the coolant, and then we'll start her up. Hopefully it all goes good, like I said. I am pretty nervous, but if it's not, then oh well. It's just a learning point, I guess. Figure out what's wrong and start all over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to the store, grab some oil filter housing socket, and then we'll call it there. All right, guys, so we're back at the socket. Sadly, it only came in a kit, so I couldn't just get the socket alone, but it was only 20 bucks for the whole kit. So I'm gonna use that socket, put it back in the kit, and take it right to work. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll drain the oil and everything, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. We're almost there. There we go. Got that out. So now we just got to change the O-ring and the filter. I did already pick up the filter a long time ago. I think even before I got that car, but it's just Mobile 1 filter. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get that put in, and then drain the oil, put some new oil in it, and then some coolant. All right, guys, this is the test. All right, hopefully this works now, because I'm kind of getting nervous. Not. Like, does it? No. All right, guys, so ran into a little issue. Had to pull the starter. Yeah, that starter just doesn't work, I guess. Like, it's not working. So I'm gonna try that one, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully, I mean, that one worked when I pulled it out. When I pulled the motor of the other car, that one worked. So we'll see. But just gonna swap some things over, and then we'll get that one going. All right, guys, so new starter is out, which sounds weird. Old starter is in. Yeah, hopefully that was the problem. I mean, turn it over, just hear one click. That's brand new, but it's also 2 years old, sitting in a box, and it's just from Rock Auto. So who knows, could just be not working just from the jump, but we're going to figure out, because I was getting power and everything, but just nothing to crank it over, just that one click. So we're going to try that. Hopefully that settles it, and yeah. All right, guys, so with a little bit of help, figured out what the problem was. That wire wasn't getting power. It just was a fuse. I didn't have a test later or any multimeter or anything, so I couldn't figure it out myself, but she's running. All right, so now I'm just hooking up the intercooler piping. Buddy just dropped it off. It's not the new stuff yet. We're gonna take it down to his shop and actually make it to the car. That way, so there's no fitment issues or anything like that. So yeah, I just had to take off the front bumper to secure that clamp on the intercooler. Now I just gotta clamp up the turbo part, and then we'll be good. So I got the boost pipe in. Had to take the front bumper off to get it all clamped up. And then I got this clamp on the back of the turbo through here. Oh my gosh, I forgot my light. Right through there. And now I'm just gonna put the wheel on, take it off the jack stands, check the oil level again. Then we're gonna put it out in the driveway, give it a clean, and then take it for a drive. All right, guys, wheels are torqued, hood shut. I think it's time to start it, get it outside, give it a good wash, and probably take it for a drive too. Why not, right? Kind of hear the turbo though, a little bit. But yeah, like I said, only ran into one issue so far. Other than that, the car's been fine. Just got to service some things up. Just because it's been sitting and stuff, brakes a little bit seized. But other than that, it's running good. Yeah, there's not really much more I can say. Everything's checking out fine right now. I'm just trying to take it on a few more drives, and then I'm gonna go get an MVI on it, just so I can make sure everything's good just before I get an MVI on it. But yeah, car's been treating me good so far. It's kind of hard recording with my phone. It's just so awkward. But I mean, I'm gonna slap her and paddle and try it there. Yeah. Probably can't even hear that turbo. I did record some footage of my first drive, but my GoPro is dead, and the way I recorded it was like that way. So like cropping it to the YouTube template just doesn't work. A little bit of footage. I'm gonna add my other footage that I had that's just not cropped right, just to add it. But just thought I'd take you off the road just real quick, just to get the right format for the video. Car's not really that fast really yet. Definitely make it faster in the future though. All right, guys, so that's probably it for the video. Happy he's running, everything's fine. Figured out that little issue there, no problem. I didn't drive it since that code came on, so I wanted to make sure everything was fine, since that's a kind of a timing thing, I guess. If it's not reading, the solenoid's not reading, then it's not going to know where the cam position is, right? So I got that all done. Car drives good. Just got to do the brakes, like I said. I think it's one of these calipers in the rear or something. But I'll get some new suspension part. I already got some sway links, sway bar. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Sway bar end links and tie rod ends. So yeah, we'll get all that tightened up one day. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little build series, I guess. More things to come for sure. But I'm gonna call it here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all you guys help in the comments. A couple guys on Facebook and stuff who helped me out, some things I didn't know. But yeah, I'll call it there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.